Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you log in to Sweat Wallet application. So first of all, you have to open up the application. Now over here, as you can see, there are multiple options that we can use to log into our application. First of all, you can log in through a Sweatcoin account. Then you can log in by using various methods such as using an activation email. Then you can also log in with a secret phrase. So for example, I will click on Sweatcoin account. Then you have to click on log in to my account. Now you have to select whether you want to log in with your Google account or your phone number. So from here you have to enter all of your details. Then you will be able to easily log into your account. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.